Hey friends, if you wish to recover an unsaved notepad file in Windows, then please watch this video. Let us say I create a notepad file and name it test. Okay, so I'll click on file, I will save it on the desktop, and then I will simply delete it. Okay, so once I have deleted, we have three options. So first of all, I can go to the recycle bin and arrange it sorted by date deleted and try to find this one and recover it. But even if I recover it, I might not be able to use it for many reasons because it was a notepad file, though I am able to do it right now because it was a recent delete. But let's say that I use a recovery software. So I'll give you an excellent option. Microsoft Word has the capability of recovering previous notes. So I don't even use notepad. Even if I want to create a txt file, all I do is right click on it, select open with, choose another app, select Microsoft Word always. Okay, so it will still remain in the txt format. The difference this time will be that you will be able to recover all the notebooks, but here's a catch. This will happen if you had already used this setting on your system, if you had already set Microsoft Word for txt files. If you change it to, what do we say, or you keep it to Notepad, then you won't be able to recover. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.